So now the problem is given as obtain the pulse transfer function from the given equations. So what does it mean? Usually our equations are x dot is equals to ax plus bu, y is equals to cx plus du. So now if you see here, the equations are in the form of G and H, means A is replaced with G, B is replaced with H. That is the only difference, and there is no D. Okay. So now such equation is given and they are asking us to find the pulse transfer function. What do you mean by pulse transfer function? Pulse transfer function means as we obtain that transfer function, means output by input. So to obtain that, first let me take our equations. So our equations are x dot of t is equals to g into x of t plus h into u of t. Same way, y of t is equals to c into x of t, right? So these are our equations. So now let me say this as equation 1 and let me say this as equation 2. So first apply Laplace transform to equation 1. Then it will be Laplace transform of x dot of t is equals to Laplace of gx of t plus h u of t. So x dot means s x of s minus x of 0 is equals to g will be g, x of t will be x of s plus h will be h, u of t will be u of s. Now x of s, let all x of s come at one side and the remaining on the other side. So s x of s minus g x of s is equals to h u of s minus x of 0. X of s I am taking it as common, g is a matrix, s is an variable. So I am writing an identity matrix. So si minus g, which is equals to h u of s minus x of 0. Sorry, minus means when it goes it will be plus. Okay. Yes, plus x of 0. So now this equation I am rewriting it as x of s into si minus g is equals to h into u of s. Since at x of 0 is equals to 0. Let x of 0 is equals to 0. Because x of 0 means at system starts at 0. System starts at 0 means the value is 0. So why should we write it in the equation and prolong? So let us eliminate the unwanted ones. So let x of 0 is equal to 0 because it is the initial condition. Okay. So now what happens? Therefore, x of s is equals to 1 by si minus g h into u of s, which is called as x of s is equals to si minus g whole inverse h u of s. Now apply Laplace transform for equation 2. What is our equation 2? Laplace of y of t is equals to Laplace of c into x of t. So this will be y of s is equals to c into x of s. But what is x of s? 1 by si minus g whole inverse h u of s. Isn't it? So x of s is equals to si minus g whole h u of s. So our output is y by u. So y of s by, I'm bringing u this side, u of s is equals to c into si minus g whole inverse into h. Sorry, here whole inverse won't be there because I took this 1 by si minus g into h u of s. So c into si minus g whole inverse into h. So this is our transfer function. Therefore, y of s by u of s is equals to c into si minus g whole inverse. So now see, what is the question? Obtain the pulse transfer function for this equation. So we took these two equations. Equation 1, equation 2. First we applied Laplace transform. So when we apply Laplace transform, we got x of s as common and we got something for x of s. Then we apply Laplace transform for second equation and we substituted the x of s here. Then we got output by input. This is called as pulse transfer function. Yes, done. Then, so G is this, H is this, C is this. Now it is asking, also show that whether the system is not completely observable or not. So it is asking find the observability matrix also. So to find the observability matrix, what is the condition we have? Observability. Observability is given as C transpose. A means here G. So G transpose C transpose. G transpose square C transpose. And then we should find det is not equals to 0. So here C is equals to, what is the equation given for C? C is 451. So as C is 451, C transpose is 451. G is equals to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 6, minus 11 and 6. So G transpose is equals to 0, 0, minus 6, 1, 0, minus 11, 0, 1, 6. Rows became columns, columns becomes rows. So now we know C transpose. Then we need is G transpose C transpose, which is equals to 0, 0, minus 6, 1, 0, minus 11, 0, 1, 6 into C transpose is 4, 5, 1. So now this is equals to 0 into 4 plus 0 into 5 plus minus 6 into 1. 1 into 4 plus 0 into 5 plus minus 11 into 1. 0 into 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 6 into 1. So this is giving us the answer as minus 6, minus 7, plus 11, because 5 plus 6 is 11 positive. Okay, G transpose C transpose is also done. Now our next target is G transpose square C transpose, where our requirement is G transpose square. So G transpose is 0, 0, minus 6, 1, 0, minus 11, 0, 1, 6 into 0, 0, minus 6, 1, 0, minus 11, 0, 1, 6. So this is equals to 0 into 0 plus 0 into 1 minus 6 into 0. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus minus 11 into 0. Then 0 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 6 into 0. Then here 0 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus minus 6 into 1. 1 into 0 plus 0 into 0 plus minus 11 into 1. 0 into 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 6 into 1. Then these two are done. Now this one. So 0 into minus 6 plus 0 into minus 11 plus minus 6 into 6. Then 1 into minus 6 plus 0 into minus 11 plus minus 11 into 6. 0 into minus 6 plus 1 into minus 11 plus 6 into 6. This is the one. So now what are the values we are going to get? So this is equals to, when you multiply and add those, the values you are going to get is 0 plus 0 minus 0, 0 plus 0 minus 0, 0 plus 1 minus plus 0. This side you are going to get 0 plus 0 minus 6, 0 plus 0 minus 11, 0 plus 0 plus 6, and here it is 0 plus 0 minus 36, minus 6 plus 0 minus 66, 0 minus 11 plus 36. So this is equals to 0, 0, 1 minus 6 minus 11 plus 6 minus 36 minus 72 and plus 25. But our requirement is, my requirement is GT square into C transpose. So this will be 0 minus 6 minus 36, 0 minus 11 minus 72, 1625 into we are having C transpose as 451. So now when you multiply, it will be 0 into 4 minus 6 into 5 minus 36 into 1, 0 into 4 minus 11 into 5 minus 72 into 1, 1 into 4 plus 6 into 5 plus 25 into 1, which will give you the answer as minus 66 minus 127 and then 59. So our matrix is what? C transpose, which is 451. Then A transpose C transpose is minus 6 minus 7 11. Then now G transpose square C transpose is minus 66 minus 127 59. So we should find det of Q naught, which is det of 4 minus 6 minus 66, 5 minus 7 minus 127, 111 59. So det of this is equals to 4 into minus 7 into 59 minus of minus 127 into 11. Then minus of minus 6 into minus 6 means 559. 5 into 59 minus 127 into 1. Then plus minus 66 into 5 into 11 minus of minus 7 into 1. So this is equals to, so just do with the calculator this value, green values, do it with calculator. Then you will get 4 into 984 plus 6 into 422 minus 66 into 62, which is equals to 2376. Therefore det Q naught is not equals to 0. Therefore system is completely observable. Done. So here what is the question? The question is about, is it controllable and at the same way, is it observable, and at the same way it is asking find the transfer function also. So the question is given as, this is the transfer function, these are the state space equations, find the transfer function. So from the state space equations we applied transform, Laplace transform, and we found out the transfer function. Then we said controllability matrix, according to controllability matrix what is G transpose, and we solved. So finally we got not equal to 0, therefore the system is completely observable.